Hi guys, my name is Harshit and in this video we are going to learn about the built-in functions of string. So I actually taken some of the built-in methods. We will be discussing about other methods also in the upcoming videos. So as we already discussed about the basic part of the string in the previous video, as if you didn't watch the previous video, so I will be putting that particular link and the playlist link also in the description. You can check it you can check that particular video from the description. So now let's talk about some built-in functions. So let's me take string. I'm taking my name as a string only. Okay. So let's talk about the some like rarely used the math functions which we generally use. So first is the minimum. So what is this min means? That is minimum, I already told you, and max is like maximum. And these two methods, this minimum and max, actually totally depend on the ASCII values. So as we all know that the ASCII value of small a is 97 and small z is 122 and capital A is 65 and capital Z is 90, right? So if suppose I just need to print the minimum of A is our string, so it will print the space, right? Because space ASCII value is 32, I guess, yeah. So this in this way it will give us the result. It will just put like it's totally depend on the ASCII value of particular character and it will print that particular character only. And max is also like this just the opposite of minimum but also depends on the ASCII value only. So it will print us t, right? Because the ASCII value of t is greater. Now let's suppose if I instead of small t, let's suppose I print take it as capital T and just run it again. And now if I run that max of a, so now it won't give the t as our output. It will give sr output, right? Because it, as I already told you, is because of the ASCII value of uh, uh, that particular character. Now let's talk about the another method, which is the length. So if I want to, so it's basically what it will print is the length of that particular string. So it will be, we can write it like this, and if we can count like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18, right? So it will give us the length of that particular string, which is we already counted as 18. So it is also the simple method. And now the most used methods is the lower and upper. So why I'm saying the low, like most used method, because when we are doing the NLP, like the tokenization and all those concepts in NLP, so we generally convert all this like complete paragraph or the you can say like string to the lower case so that we can find out our results, right? So what we can do to make it into the lower cases, just put it like a, which is a string, then dot, and then just simply write the name of that particular function. So it will just simply convert that particular string to lowercase. As you can see, I have that capital T. Now I am having this thing, and now I also need to initialize to a to show it to the how the upper will gonna work. Or let's take it because I already have this. Okay, so as I didn't actually initialize this particular value to a, so my current value of a is this thing only, right? So let's suppose I print a dot upper. So now it will give me this string. So these are just opposite methods only. So in this way we can convert a particular string to lowercase, and in this case we can convert a particular string into uppercase. And now let's talk about islower and isupper methods. So basically it's a boolean method. So it will just tell you whether that particular string is lower or not. So to show you, let's take a dot then islower. Now it is showing false because it's already, it's don't have complete lowercase letters, right? This is not a lowercase letter. And if suppose we can just change it to Harshit, okay, let's initialize this string to a, and then we can see that it's coming out to be true, right? So now suppose if we have Harshit and then space, now what will be our output? So it is same, right? And this is the similar, like it is just the opposite of islower. So in this case also, just a dot then is upper. This is also a boolean method, so it will give false because we initialize this, right? And it is not in the like uppercase, it's in the lowercase only, so it will give us false. To get true, we just need to initialize this as in the uppercase. So these are actually the really simple methods. Now let's talk about strip method. So as I already initialized this as Harshit then space, right? So if I need to, if I just print to like the strip a dot strip, so what it will print is it will just remove the spaces from start and end of that particular string. So if you can see, right? It only print Harshit, not that particular space. And to show you, it's only remove the starting and ending string only. So let's take some other character like the word. So let's take this word. So now you can, so let's take this. Okay. So if I do that a dot strip, so you can see it's only removing the starting or ending spaces, right? Not in the middle spaces. So in this case, like in this way, this strip method is going to work. And for lstrip and rstrip, it basically means left strip and right strip. So if I take a string as a space and then Harshit and then again space, let's take this. Okay, so I can show you in both the cases only. So if I just take like a dot then lstrip, so now what it will print? It will print Harshit and then space. So it basically just removing the starting space, which is the left, like it's already like it's coming in the left side, right? So that's why it is known as left strip. And this is like similar in the case of R. Just what it will do, it will remove the right space instead of left strip space. Okay, so let me just show you. So it will give us the result as space and Harshit. So you can go through this particular video again if you don't get any method, and if you have any issue, like you can comment it down in the comment section. And if you are liking the video, so like if you are liking these particular videos, so please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. And I will put this particular Jupyter notebook link in the description only. So from there you can just simply like download if you need, and also the links of the previous video like the string part and the playlist, so you can actually see that particular video also. So in the upcoming video we will be discussing about the further built-in functions. So till then, bye.